Hello teachers, you would have received a message like this on WhatsApp which is introducing ReadToMe Teacher Dashboard. If you see here, you will see download the app. Let's click on this link. This link will take you to the Play Store from where you can download ReadToMe Teacher Dashboard. First of all, you will have to click on the install button so that the app can start installing. You can see here that it is being installed. Once the app has been installed, the open button will be activated. Now click on the open button. You will see this page where you will have to sign up. Please remember, if you have already registered on write-to-read.englishhelper.com or on ReadToMe Student Edition, or if you have created an account on English Bolo, then you don't have to sign up. You will have to click on this login button and use the credentials that you already have to log in. Please add your phone number here, add your password here, and then click on login. If you have not signed up before, then you will have to sign up. Firstly, you will have to type your full name. Then you will have to type your email ID. Type a password that you can easily remember and your phone number. Next, click on Submit. You can now see this page where you will have to type your UDICE school code or school ID. After entering your school ID or school code, click on Submit. You can now see this page where you will be able to see all the details again according to your school. Please check all the details and click on Confirm. The page that you can see now is your ReadToMe Teacher Dashboard. Here you can see your ReadToMe software. This can help you conduct your classes. Below this, you can see the Training Center. If you click on View, you will be able to see all the videos from your training session. These videos will help you in planning your lessons. You can go back from here. You will reach your dashboard again. If you scroll down, you will see that you can access English Bolo from here as well. So you can click on the download button for English Bolo and download it.